Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling basic protection in the IMO app. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring your privacy and peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Accounts and Security. Click on it to access all security-related options. Now, tap on Login Protection. This section allows you to manage your account's security settings. Finally, turn on the Basic Protection feature. This will require a verification code each time you log into your IMO account, adding an extra layer of security. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled basic protection in the IMO app. This simple action helps safeguard your account from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.